Join us for an exceptional journey in enhancing ceramic tiles like never before. Embrace a realm of excellence and elevate every facet of your experience. Make the choice of K&T Custom Home Builds to experience a seamless and impeccable ceramic tile installation process. Experience a remarkable space transformation. Elevate your area with 500 square feet of exquisite elegance through seamless ceramic tile installation. Our skilled team ensures the placement of tiles with utmost precision, resulting in timeless beauty that endures. Embark on a journey to uncover the extraordinary difference that our expertise can bring. Take the first step by reaching out to us today. Don't hesitate to contact us for a complimentary estimate.